discuss about problems. The chapter is work power energy. The first problem is a machine gun fires 360 bullets per minute and each bullet travels with a velocity of 600 meter per second. If mass of each bullet is 5 gram, find the power of the gun. So first we have to write the data for solution. Let the 360 bullets, that means number of bullets, that means n is equal to 360, then per minute means time is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute means 60 seconds, and each bullet travels with velocity, that means v is equal to 600 meter per second. The mass of each bullet m is equal to 5 gram. We have to convert this CGS system into MKS system, that means 5 into 10 power minus 3 kg. Now we have to find power of the gun. Power P is equal to question mark. Write the formula. Power P is equal to generally work by time or energy by time. Here velocity is present here, so we have to take the kinetic energy, that means half mv square by t, that means energy by time. This formula stands for one bullet, but we have to write n number of bullets, so multiply this formula with n. Now substitute the data here. P is equal to 360 into half, m means 5 into 10 power minus 3 into velocity square means 600, that means 600 square. Actually I am writing 600 into 600 whole divided by 60. Now I will rearrange these numbers, so I will bring this 2 to denominator and I will bring this 10 power minus 3 to denominator. That means 360 into this 1 means no need of 1, 5 into 600 into 600 divided by this 2 into 60 into 10 power 3. 10 power 3 is nothing but 1000, that is equal to 60 gets 6 times in this number and 6 cancels 3 times into, that means the numerator will be 3 into 5 into 600 into 600 divided by 10 power 3 means 1000. Now cancel these 2 zeros and 2 zeros, 1 0 from here. Then 3 into 5 means 15 into 60 into 6, that means 360, that means 6 into 6 36 into 0. Then P is equal to, now multiply these two numbers, we will get 5400 watts. Then P is equal to 5.4 kilowatts. This is the solution of this problem. Okay, the next problem is a pump is required to lift 600 kg of water per minute from a well 25 meter deep and to eject it with speed 50 meter per second. Calculate power and power required to perform the above test. So here given 600 kg and 50 meter per second, and height also they given. Depth is considered as height. So the solution is given data let 600 kg means mass m is equal to 600 kg. Watt per minute means time is equal to 60 seconds. The depth of the well, that is height, h is equal to 25 meters, and the velocity of water or speed of the water is 50 meter per second. So here in this problem velocity is mentioned and height also mentioned. So we have to consider both the energies, that means potential energy and kinetic energy we have to consider. So we have to find power. P is equal to question mark. So P is equal to mgh plus half m v square divided by t. This is the formula. Now we have to substitute the values. First, the mass is 600 kg, 600 into 600 into g means 9.8. I had to write g value 9.8, acceleration due to gravity meter per second square, into h means 25 meter plus half into m means, again we have to write mention same mass 600 into v square means 50 into 50, the whole divided by 60. For simplification, cancel this 2 in this 600, this gives 300. So we can write, I want to split this value 600 into 9.8 into 25 divided by 60 plus this 300 into 50 into 50 divided by 60. So this 60 cancels 600 in 10 times. 10 into 9.8 gives 98 into 25 plus this 60 cancels here 5 times. So here 5 into 50 into 50. So 98 into 25, we can write 98 as 100 minus 2 into 25. 25 into 100 means 2500 minus 2 into 25 means 50. This gives 2450. This is 2450. 5 into 5 means 25. 25 into 5, 125. Add 2 zeros, 125 00. By adding these two numbers, we get 14950 watts, 14,950 watts, or P is equal to 14.950 kilowatts or 15 kilowatts. Calculate the power of a pump required to lift 600 kg of water per minute from a well of 25 meter deep. I have to find power. So first, given data 600 kg means let M is equal to 600 kg per minute means time T is equal to 60 seconds. The depth can be considered as height h here, that will be h 25 meters, because the formula of potential energy is mgh, so that's why we are denoting with h. Otherwise we can write as d. So find p, power of the pump, is equal to question mark. The formula power p is equal to, here m, so mass, that means mgh by t, but g was not given, so let g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, so that is equal to 600 into g means 9.8 into h means 25 divided by 60. 60 and 600, this is 10 times here, that is equal to 10 into 9.8 is 98 into 25. P is equal to 98 into 25 can be written as 100 minus 2. 98 can be into 25. 25 into 100 means 2500 minus 2 into 25 gives 50. This will be 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. This 4, 2. That means 2450 watts. The power of the pump is 2450 watts. This is the final answer.